What's up, familia? Thank you for returning back to my channel. If this is your second or third or fourth time coming here, if this is your first time, welcome. Hope you stay tuned. Today what I'm going to do is actually fill in my eyebrows. I already groomed them, so what I'm going to do next is actually go ahead and just fill them in. This is like an everyday look type thing, and or for work or whatever it is that you need to get a little bit ready for. So what I'm going to be using, the two products I'm going to be using is this Wet n Wild. See that? Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the color dark brown. So this is the way it looks. And then I'm also going to be using just a little bit this here. This is another Wet n Wild brow pencil. It has a little spoolie on the back of it, and then the pencil obviously in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Like I said, my eyebrows are already nicely groomed. Alright guys, so let's get started. I'm going to start off in the middle to carve out my arch. I apologize if I get off camera. It's kind of hard to stay on camera and also then I'm going to outline the bottom. I know a lot of people use like many different like things, but I am good with just these two pencils. Some people use the powders. I like more of a natural look. I mean, I do go a little bit more intense if I'm going out, but like for everyday wear, work wear, this is pretty much my eyebrow routine. You guys have any more tips that you guys want to give me? I am all for it. Bring it on. I don't think you need a lot to do like to tint to to fill in your eyebrows, I think everything is like, I think a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. And sometimes, usually, I feel like it's not like dark enough, I use the other pencil. This pencil's a little bit darker. I know they do have another shade in the one I was just using, but I also don't like to go too dark, because then to me it just looks very unnatural. All right, you see guys, so this is super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys to like define it just a little bit more, define your eyebrow just a little bit more. I actually put concealer just to define it a little bit more if you're like really trying to define your eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this little tiny, thin, small brush. This is by e.l.f. This is an old like pencil, but it's so precise and tiny that it works well for this. So just put a little bit of concealer on your brush. And just outline. Use little by little, because if not, you're just gonna mess up what you already did. I mean, you can go back and always add more pencil. And that's the little spot on the bottom, so. Alright, so just blend it down towards your eyebrow. I'm sorry, towards your eyelid. And then you also, if you want to super define the top. Alright guys, so that actually concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned with me. And I hope you liked the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.